Hi, you are watching Faheem Shaheen. Let's learn kitchen vocabulary in English. Let's go. Apron, blender, bottle, bottle opener, bowl, butter knife, chopsticks, colander, microwave, corkscrew, cup, cutlery, cutting board, funnel, dish rack, egg slicer, deep fryer, garlic crusher, kitchen paper, gas stove, grater, jar, fork, knife, juicer, kitchen towel, kettle, oven gloves. Thank you for watching. Thank you.